Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and today we are going to learn preposition of place. So are you all ready for this? Let's start. The first one is besides. Besides means साथ में. The dog is beside the ball. So you can see that the dog is sitting beside the ball. So we can use here the preposition of place beside. The first one is, the next is in the. In. The dog is in the dog house. कि dog जो है वो dog house के अंदर है. तो this preposition of place is in. The dog is in the dog house. The next is, the dog is in front of the dog house. So next preposition of place is in front. In front means सामने. The next is, the dog is behind the dog house. Behind. The preposition of place is behind. Behind means like पीछे. The dog is behind the dog house. Next is, the dog is between the dog house and the tree. यानी कि between means बीच में. तो dog जो है वो dog house और tree के बीच में बैठा है. तो dog is between the dog house and the tree. The dog is on the dog house. So on means ऊपर. तो dog house के ऊपर बैठा है. The dog is on the dog house. The dog is under the tree. तो आप देखेंगे dog sleep कर रहा है tree के नीचे. So the preposition of the place is under. Under means नीचे. The dog is under the tree. The butterfly is above the dog. Above means ऊपर, but वो आपके ऊपर पड़ा नहीं है. मतलब ऊपर आपके fly करिए. It is not on your head. So then we can use it above. The butterfly is above the dog. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.